While most people are concerned with accumulating money, the rich focus their energy on generating more wealth. They understand that making money goes far beyond just a vehicle for investment. It's about a mindset. The way we think about money is the true factor that either holds us back or allows us to achieve wealth. It's not the market, the type of investment, or external opportunities. Therefore, regardless of the investment path you choose, adopting the right mindset is crucial for success. And that's what we'll talk about now. If you're ready for the challenge, let's go. It's time to make money with a winning entrepreneurial mindset. There are 4 key ways of thinking that are fundamental to success. I call them the extraordinary mindset. This way of thinking can help you make money in any venture, whether it's a business you're already running, starting now, or just thinking about starting. Developing this mindset will ensure you're prepared for the challenges ahead, and, more importantly, that you can create wealth from your efforts. The first entrepreneurial mindset is understanding that you can't make money if you don't know how to sell. This might seem obvious to some, but many entrepreneurs overlook this fundamental truth. Some get lost in product development and creation. Others spend all their time and money on marketing, and some are more concerned with appearing to be successful business people than actually being successful. However, the truth is simple. If you don't know how to sell, you won't make money. I remember when I returned from Vietnam and decided to become an entrepreneur and investor. My rich dad gave me straightforward advice. If you want to get into business, you need to learn how to sell. I took that advice seriously and got a job in sales. I didn't do it for the salary, but for the opportunity to learn. I realized that if I could overcome my own insecurities, make a convincing presentation, and close a deal, I would develop a set of skills that would allow me to negotiate with partners, secure funding for investments, and lead with confidence. If you are or want to be an entrepreneur, you need to honestly assess your ability to sell. One of the first steps in doing that is reflecting on how you communicate with others. If you can communicate effectively, you're already on the right path to mastering the art of selling. And the first step to being a good communicator is learning to listen. Most people pretend to listen, but in reality, they're just waiting for their turn to speak. As a result, their responses often don't align with what the customer truly needs. Too often, salespeople offer a solution before even hearing the problem. They are so focused on making the sale that they see the customer more as an obstacle to overcome than a person to help. If you learn to truly listen and serve the customer, you'll naturally learn how to sell. The second entrepreneurial mindset is to pursue your passion. Being an entrepreneur is a tough path. When you start, it's common to have to take on all the roles in the company. Your business card may say founder and CEO, but in practice, you're also the janitor, accountant, customer service rep, and there's nothing wrong with that. Many people are drawn to entrepreneurship because they like the idea that the success or failure of the business depends entirely on them. However, if they're not careful, they can become disconnected from their true passion. And once that passion is gone, the company's days are numbered. Many entrepreneurs lose sight of their passion because they get bogged down in administrative and operational tasks, leaving little or no time for the visionary activities that truly drive them. The third mindset is not being afraid to value your product or service. This means knowing the real worth of what you're offering and not being afraid to price it accordingly. Often, entrepreneurs question whether they're charging too much for their products, and that insecurity is reflected in how consumers behave. Nowadays, there are cheaper and even free versions of almost everything on the market. It's easy to fall into the trap of lowering your prices to compete, but that can be a mistake. Remember, if people really love your product, they'll be willing to pay more for it. Think about Apple products. People pay hundreds of dollars more for devices that, in terms of functionality, are very similar to those of other brands. However, what sets Apple apart is the experience and perceived value. Steve Jobs believed in the value of his products and wasn't afraid to charge more for them. Similarly, you need to develop the habit of measuring what you expect from your business and always knowing where it stands. The fourth mindset is embracing failure. Failing fast and often is part of the growth process. Most successful entrepreneurs and investors are not risk-averse. If they were, they would be stuck in conventional 9-to-5 jobs, never daring to create something new. Making money involves taking risks, and sometimes losing money is part of the process. If you expect to never make mistakes, you've already made your first one. Don't view mistakes as something to avoid at all costs, but as learning opportunities. Every mistake offers valuable lessons on how to improve, adjust, and grow. The faster you make mistakes, the faster you'll learn and apply those lessons to improve your business. By adopting the mindset of failing fast and often, you begin to harness the power of experimentation. Repetition and continuous refinement of a process are what drive sustainable growth in a venture. When you start a business, speed is critical to success. The faster you can run experiments, automate processes, and adjust your strategy, the more likely you are to find the winning formula. That winning formula is what will allow your business to become scalable, and scalability is what turns big dreams into reality. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Fail fast, fail often, and learn even faster. You need to try, fail, learn, and try again. If you try, fail, and give up, you will never achieve the success you could have had. These are the 4 extraordinary mindsets that can transform the way you approach business and wealth creation. By adopting these principles and applying them consistently, you'll be building a solid foundation for long-term success. No matter your field of work, these mindsets will be the cornerstone for sustainable growth and the creation of a prosperous financial life. Welcome to Smart Money, where we explore the secrets of the millionaire mindset. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to support our content and stay updated on all the latest insights. If you're looking to transform your mindset, achieve financial freedom, and live the life of your dreams, you're in the right place. Here, we share practical tips, proven strategies, and valuable insights to help you develop the mindset and habits of the great millionaires. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Join us on this journey towards financial success.